Hi, my name is Eric Hughes and I'm here at Photonics West in beautiful San Francisco. And FLIR is launching a new family of products this week. And I wanted to talk a little bit about it. I'm going to start with the A8300 SC. This is our high resolution, high sensitivity camera. And when is it not about resolution with IR imagery? This is a 1280 by 720 INSB detector on this with about 20 millikelvin thermal sensitivity. And for applications where you really need incredible thermal sensitivity and being able to see those small thermal anomalies, this camera can't be beat. So it is all about image quality and resolution with this camera. It is now about 30% lower in price than its predecessors. And the one thing I really like about this is it also has a SDI HD output on the back of the camera. So this is great for folks that are doing any sort of marketing type of work where you need to just really wow your customers with imagery. This camera does it. It is a GigE output back to the computer at 60 frames a second on the camera. And the other thing it comes with is a wide variety of lenses. So we have telephoto lenses for this camera, and we also can get down to very small field of views with 4 micron optics. So that's 4 micron pixel resolution with the lens. So that is the A8300 SC. All right, the next camera I want to talk to you guys about is our new long wave cooled camera. It's an SLS detector called strain layer superlattice. The amazing thing about this camera is that it has very fast integration times. At an ambient room temperature like this, we're looking at about 160 microseconds. So very fast. They're great for applications where you have fan blades or any sort of moving apparatus. The other thing about this camera is the temperature ranges. In just 2 temperature ranges, I can go from -20 to 650 C. So you have very broad temperature ranges with this camera. And of course, if you need to work in this long wave spectrum, this one just can't be beat. All right, the next camera I want to talk to you about is an INSB camera, similar to the high resolution, but it's just a 640 by 512. Delivers that great thermal sensitivity. And the reason I like this over standard microbolometer based cameras, or we like to say the 5 S's. You have sensitivity, spatial resolution, spectral filtering, speed, and also synchronization. So if you have any of those type of requirements, this camera is great for it. In terms of field of view, 15 micron lens. We have the ability to synchronize with the output in the back. And it's much faster than any type of microbolometers, and we talked about the sensitivity as well. All right, to round out our latest cameras, we have the near camera. So this camera images from 0.9 to 1.7 micron. We also offer a VisGas option that goes down to 0.4 micron. The one thing I like about these is you can see that we use all the same electronics packages and housing. And the one thing that's important to mention is that all these cameras use a generic interface in case you are developing your own software program. It's called GigE Vision or GeniCam, and they're all compliant to this protocol. So whether it's the mid-wave, the long wave, the short wave camera, any software that you develop, any of these cameras are going to work with your program. So when you think of FLIR, think of any waveband, any application, and please visit us at www.flir.com.